Some people never go crazy. What truly horrible lives they must live. An intellectual say a simple thing in a hard way. An artist says a hard thing in a simple way. The free soul is rare, but you know it when you see it. Basically, because you feel good, very good, when you are near or with them. If you are losing your soul and you know it, then you have still got a soul left to lose. We are here to laugh at the odds and live our lives so well that death will tremble to take us. Genius might be the ability to say a profound thing in a simple way. Almost everybody is born a genius and buried an idiot. I have no definite talent or trade, and how I stay alive is largely a matter of magic. It's possible to love a human being if you don't know them too well. We are here to unlearn the teachings of the church, state, and our education system. You began saving the world by saving one man at a time. All else is grandiose romanticism or politics. Never envy a man his lady. Behind it all lays a living hell. Somebody once asked me what my theory of life was, and I said, don't try. That fits the writing too. I don't try, I just type. I can relax with bums because I am a bum. I don't like laws, morals, religions, and rules. I don't like to be shaped by society. The thing that I fear discriminating against is humor and truth. There will always be something to ruin our lives. It all depends on what or which finds us first. We are always ripe and ready to be taken. Bad taste creates many more millionaires than good taste. A cat is only itself, representative of the strong force of life that won't let go.